What does the word Yajurveda mean? Yajus is from the root word yaj, which means to worship and also means to sacrifice. Yajna is also from this same root word yaj. We already know that Veda means knowledge, so Yajurveda means the knowledge regarding sacrificial formulae. The mantras in Rigveda are in praise of deities, and Yajurveda gives a practical shape to these mantras by spelling out the procedures for the yajnas. Rigveda and Samaveda are metrical, meaning there is a poetical meter to the mantras in Rigveda and Samaveda, but the mantras in Yajurveda are not metrical, they are in prose format. It is said like this: Gadyatmako Yajuhu. Gadyam means prose in Sanskrit, but they do have Vedic intonations, the Udatta, Anudatta and Svarita. If you want to know about the Vedic accents, check out my video on this. The glory of Yajurveda is that it gives details about Vedic rituals. Many yajnas like Ashwamedha Yajna, Rajasuya Yaga, Soma Yaga, Vajapeya Yaga and many more are made known to us in detail along with all the procedures by the Yajurveda. The description and methods of these yagas are in the Taittiriya Samhita of Krishna Yajurveda. Also, the very popular Sri Rudram with the Namakam, Chamakam is found only in the Yajurveda. Before I speak more about the interesting facts about Yajurveda and also tell a story related to this, here is a quick intro about me and my channel for those who are new here. My name is Shubha. I am a native Sanskrit speaker and a Sanskrit teacher, and this channel Tattvam is all about Sanskrit related content. So if you are interested in Sanskrit related content, then please do subscribe to Tattvam and click the bell icon so that you will be notified when I add new videos. Also, do visit my website www.tattvam.org if you are interested in learning Sanskrit. I take online Sanskrit classes. Let us continue with the Yajurveda. The Yajurveda has two main branches, Krishna Yajurveda and Shukla Yajurveda. In English, people translate this as black Yajurveda and white Yajurveda. It's not actually about the color. Krishna Yajurveda is named so because in this branch of Yajurveda, there is a mixture of the mantra and the Brahmana portion. Because both are in prose, it is difficult to identify which is the mantra and which is the Brahmana. Mantra is a verse in praise of a deity and Brahmana is the ritualistic procedure. So in Krishna Yajurveda, there is no clear demarcation between the two. Since there is no clarity in this regards, it is called Krishna Yajurveda. In the other branch of Yajurveda, that is in Shukla Yajurveda, there is no such mixture of mantra and Brahmana portions. So it is called Shukla Yajurveda. Though Shukla means white, it also means bright and clear. Krishna Yajurveda is very prevalent among South Indians and Shukla Yajurveda is mostly practiced in North India. There is a story also associated with this division of Yajurveda into Krishna Yajurveda and Shukla Yajurveda. Vedavyasa is the one who divided the huge mass of knowledge into 4 Vedas. Each Veda he gave to one of his disciples. He gave Yajurveda to Rishi Vaishampayana. Vaishampayana taught the Yajurveda to many of his students, and one among them was Rishi Yajnavalkya. One day, when some differences arose between Rishi Vaishampayana and Rishi Yajnavalkya, Vaishampayana asked his student Yajnavalkya to give back whatever he had learnt from him. And Yajnavalkya felt that the demand of his guru is fair, so he gave back whatever he had learnt from Rishi Vaishampayana. It is said that Yajnavalkya just vomited out all the knowledge. Later, Yajnavalkya meditated upon the sun god Surya to accept him as his student. And Surya Deva accepted Yajnavalkya as his student and imparted a different version of the Yajurveda. This version of Yajurveda was called Shukla Yajurveda, and since it came from the sun, it is also called Vajasaneyi Samhita. This Rishi Yajnavalkya later, before taking sannyasa, imparted his wealth of spiritual knowledge to his wife Maitreyi and gave his material wealth to his other wife Katyayani. Since the one branch is called Shukla Yajurveda, the other was called Krishna Yajurveda. Out of the 10 major Upanishads, 4 are from Yajurveda. They are Ishavasyopanishad, Kathopanishad, Taittiriyopanishad and Brihadaranyaka. The very famous Mahavakya, Aham Brahmasmi, is from Yajurveda. It appears in the Brihadaranyaka. Though the Yajurveda deals with yajnas in great detail and is considered as a book of rituals, Yajurveda is also important for philosophical doctrines. The concepts of prana and manas are from this Yajurveda. Yajurveda also depicts the social and religious lives of Vedic people. Stories of ancient kings are narrated in the Shatapatha Brahmana. In Yajurveda, we find references to various tribes and their customs. The Shatapatha Brahmana mentions Rakshasas, Sarpas, Asuras, Nishadhas and many others. The Shukla Yajurveda mentions many vocations like blacksmith, potter, fowler, cowherds, shepherds, washermen, astrologers and also singers, dancers, actors, sculptors and flutists. Krishna Yajurveda had 85 shakhas or schools, and out of the 85, only 4 are available now. They are Taittiriya Samhita, which is very popular in South India. Then there is the Maitrayaniya Samhita, Katha Samhita and Kapisthala Samhita. Shukla Yajurveda had 17 shakhas or schools, out of which only 2 are now available. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you did, then please do give me a like. Let me know your thoughts about this video and about our Vedas in the comments, and please do share this with your family and friends. Let us spread the knowledge of Vedas, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Tattvam, then please do subscribe. That will definitely help me in growing this channel, and you will get notified when I add new videos. Agrima video madhye punar milami. Namo Namaha.